Hello, I'm Sarah, spokesperson for Symbiotic Networks. In today's video, we are going to go over how to access and use the Reorder Posts feature within the Symbiotic Publisher Content Management System. Let's start by making sure you're logged in as an administrator. Then go to the page where you manage posts. At the top of the Manage Posts page, you will find a link labeled Reorder Posts. On the Reorder Posts page, you will see a very important note at the top of the page that says, "The list below can only display active published posts. Paging navigation is not possible for the drag and drop reordering of posts. Up to a maximum of 60 posts displayed in green can be submitted at a time and reordered, based on the order of appearance." When you mouse over any post, you will see a pop-up that says, "Left-click, hold, drag and drop to reorder post." Now I'm going to scroll down, then click and hold the left mouse button to activate the dragging feature. Simply drag the post to the location you prefer, and release the left mouse button to drop it there. The first post you move will display the number 1 in front of the post title. This is used to inform you that this post will now be in the first position. The next post you move will display a number 2, and so on. When you are finished reordering your posts, you will notice that they are all numbered in order, and their background color has changed to green. This is the new order that they will now be in when you return to the Manage Posts page. But while we are still here, I'll go over a few more important things to know. Only the green numbered posts will be reordered, all gray colored posts will be ignored even if they fall between green ones. Just remember that the order number is the most important thing when reordering, even if it is all the way down to the bottom of the list of posts. The very last thing to do on this page is to scroll down to the bottom and click on the Update Order button. This will submit the new order and display a successful message showing how many posts were reordered. This concludes the tutorial on how to access and use the Reorder Posts feature within the Symbiotic Publisher Content Management System. Thanks for watching and have a great day.